Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will learn how to use normal distribution instead of binomial distribution when n becomes very large. Today the topic is approximation of normal to the binomial. A die is rolled hundred times. Find the probability of getting at least 56s. A die is rolled 100 times. Find the probability of getting at least 66s. Now its solution is, this one is a binomial distribution with n is 100 and probability of success is 1 by 6. And we want to find probability of x is greater than equal to 50. Now we will find probability of x is equal to 50 plus probability of x is equal to 51 plus up to so on probability of x is equal to 100. Now it is very complicated and difficult and is a long procedure to find out all the probabilities from 50 to 100. So in this case, the binomial distribution is not suitable. Now we will switch from binomial to normal. Now, first of all, I will elaborate this process with the help of an example. Now, the question is, find the probability of obtaining 4, 5, 6 or 7 heads when a fair coin is tossed 12 times using a binomial distribution. The part number 1 is, x is a binomial distribution with n comma p. X is a binomial distribution with 12 comma 0.5. The probability of head is 0.5. The total number of experiments are 12. Now x is the number of heads in 12 tosses. Since coin is fair, probability of head is equal to 0.5. Coin is fair and the probability of success is 0.5. So x is a binomial distribution with 12 comma 0.5. Using a binomial distribution, probability of x is equal to 4 is equal to 12c4 and p raised to 4 and q raised to 0.8, and the answer is 0.1208. When we want probability of x is equal to 5 is equal to 12c5 and 0.5 power 5 and 0.7 power 0.5 power 7. Answer is 0.1933. When x is equal to 6, the probability is 12c6, 0.5 raised to 6 and 0.5 raised to 6. When x is equal to 7, 12c7 0.7 power 7 and 0.5 power 5, and the answer is 0.1933. We will sum all the probabilities: 0.1208, 0.1933, 0.2255, 0.1933, and the probability from 4 to when x is from 4 till 7 is 0.733. Is there any confusion in this one? This one is a simple question of binomial distribution.
सर आप स्क्रीन पे कुछ लिख रहे हैं?
No.
अच्छा ठीक है.
Can you watch the screen?
जी जी सर.
Okay. Now the B part is using a bi. Should I write and explain this, or it is understandable?
मैं ऐसा समझ आ गया.
सर लिख दें एक दफा.
Okay. 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 Now, X is a binomial distribution with n is 12 and the probability of success is 0.5. According to part A, we want to find out the probability that X is in between 4 and 7. We want to find out the probability of X is equal to 4 plus probability of X is equal to 5 plus probability of X is equal to 6 plus probability of X is equal to 7. For X is equal to 4, 12C4, probability of success power 4 and the probability of failure power 8 plus 12C5, probability of success power 5 and the probability of failure power 7 plus 12C6, probability of success power 6 and probability of failure power 6 plus 12C7, probability of success power 7 and the probability of failure power 5. The final answer is 0.733 up to 2 decimal places. Now, is there any confusion, Shian?
No, sir.
Okay. Now the part B is using a normal distribution, using the normal approximation to the binomial distribution. Now we will solve this question with the help of normal distribution. The diagram below shows the probability distribution of X for where X is a binomial distribution with 12, 0.5. Note that the vertical lines have been replaced by the rectangles. Now we have the we will draw a rectangle using probability as the height of the rectangle. We will draw the rectangle for X is equal to 2 using probability as the height of the rectangle. Now we will draw all the rectangles using probabilities of the variables. Okay, is this clear, Shayan?
जी सर.
Shayan?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now the probability for X is equal to 4 is 0.128 and you can see that this one is the rectangle for 4 and this one is 0.128 approximately. Now for for X is equal to 5, the probability is 0.1933 and you can see that the probability of 5 is the height of 5 is 1.933. Okay, we have used probabilities as the height of the rectangle. Now we know that the mean of the binomial distribution is NP. Now we will find out NP. Here NP is equal to 12 into 0.5 is equal to 6. NP is greater than 5. And we will also find out NQ. NQ is equal to 12 into 0.5 is equal to 6. NQ is greater than 5. Since NP and NQ both are greater than 5, since NP and NQ both are greater than 5, then we will use the normal approximation. If NP is greater than 5 and NQ is greater than 5, we will use normal distribution for the binomial distribution. In this question, you can see that NP and NQ both are greater than 5, so we will use normal distribution for the for X. Now, the parameters of normal distribution are mu and sigma square. In the normal distribution, the mean is NP and the variance is NPQ. So X is a normal distribution. We will write down NP in place of mu and NPQ in place of variance, where NP is equal to 6 and NPQ, N is 12, P is 0.5, Q is 0.5, is 3. So X is a normal distribution with 6 comma 3. X is a normal distribution with 6 comma 3. Now we will find out all the probabilities between 3 and 7. Between 3 and 7, as we have calculated in part number A, from 4 and 7, from 4 and 7. In case of normal distribution, when we will use normal distribution, we will again find the probability from 4 till 7. Now Shayan, can you see the rectangle for 4?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the rectangle of 4 starts from 4 or 3.5.
Yes, sir.
Rectangle of 4 starts from 4 or starts from 3.5.
3.5 से start होता है.
Okay. And the rectangle of 7 will end at 7 or 7.5.
7.5.
Okay. Now the first step in converting from normal to binomial is the continuity correction. That is, we are converting a discrete variable into a continuous variable. Binomial distribution is for the discrete variable and normal distribution is for the continuous variable. We want to calculate probability of a discrete variable with the help of a continuous distribution. So we will apply continuity correction on 4 and 7. The rectangle of 4 starts from 3.5 and ends at 7. We will convert probability of 4 till X to, we will transform probability of 4 till 7 to probability of 3.5 till 7.5. This one is the continuity correction when we will convert discrete distribution into a normal distribution. Is there any question?
No, sir.
Okay. Sameer?
नहीं सर.
Okay. Now the next slide. Can you see clearly the letters?
जी सर.
Okay. Now probability of X is greater than 4 and less than equal to 7. After continuity correction, it will be probability of 3.5. X is greater than 3.5 and less than 7.5. Now we will convert these two into Z. What is the conversion formula for converting X into Z, Shayan?
Sir, Z is equal to X minus mean divided by
Standard deviation.
uh, standard deviation.
Now 3.5 minus 6 over under root 3. And we have calculated the mu and standard deviation already calculated. And 7.5 minus 6 over under root 3. Now this one is probability of minus 1.433 and in between minus 1.433 and 0.866. Okay.
जी सर.
Okay, this one is the area. You can in between minus 1.433, that is this one, till 0.866. This one is the area. And we know that in the normal distribution, we will write down phi of 1.433 plus phi of 0.866 minus 1. Or we can also write this one like this, phi of 0.866 minus 1 minus phi of 1.443, which will be simplified to this one. Again, we will use the table to find out phi of 0.866 and phi of 1.443, and we will put the values from the table into this equation, and we will get the probability 0.732. Now when we have calculated the probabilities using the binomial distribution, the probability was 0.733, and with the normal distribution the probability is 0.732. Is there a significant difference between the two answers, part number 1 and part number 2? Shayan, is there a significant difference between the two answers or a very small difference?
Sir,
In the previous part, the answer was 0.733. 0 point A part, the answer is 0.733. In part number B, the answer is 0.732. Is there a significant difference between the two answers or very small difference?
very small difference.
Very small difference. So if we will find out the probability of the of a binomial experiment with the help of normal distribution, then there will be no significant difference. The answer is will be approximately same. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we will practice uh, the continuity correction, the questions of continuity correction. Now suppose that now the question is, probability of x is greater than equal to 3. We want to find the probability when x is greater than equal to 3. We want to apply the continuity correction. This will be x is greater than 3.5 or 2.5. How we will came to know this? We will always draw three rectangles. The middle one is 3. This one is 4. And this one is 2. Now this one is x is greater than equal to 3. These rectangles are included, greater than equal to 3. Now we will write 2.5 or 3.5. Shayan, x is greater than 2.5 or 3.5?
X is greater than 2.5.
Very good. Smear, any confusion?
नहीं सर.
Okay. If there is probability of x is less than equal to 4, now we will draw three rectangles again with 4 in the middle, 3 and 5 in the neighborhood. Now x is less than equal to 4. Now these rectangles are included. Okay. Now we will write x is less than 3.5 or x is greater than x is less than 4.5. G Samir, we will write down x is less than 3.5 or x is less than 4.5.
So x is less than 3.5.
Now if you will write down x is less than 3.5, then you will miss this area. This area. You will miss out this area.
Mm-hmm.
If you will write down x is less than 4.5,
4.5.
then this area will be included. So we will
Mm-hmm.
write down
4.5.
4.5. Now probability of x is greater than 2 and less than 7. This one. We want to find out this probability. Okay. Now for the continuity correction of 2, we will draw 3 rectangles with 2 in the middle, 1 and 3 in the neighborhood. Now x is less than 2. Is 2 included? Samir?
Nice, sir.
Okay. We will shade the area on the left or on the right. It is x is greater than 2. Greater,
Sir, right, sir.
right. Should we include the rectangle of 2?
Nice, sir.
Okay. Because it is greater than 2. So we will use 1.5 or 2.5. Samir? X is greater than, we will write x is greater than 1.5 or we will write x is greater than 2.5. Ji Samir, can you hear me?
जी sir. Um,
If we will write down, we will discuss both the cases. If we will write down x is greater than 1.5, 1.5 is at this place. Okay. This line
mm-hmm.
is 1.5. If we will write down x is greater than 1.5, then we will find the area on the right hand side. And if we will use x is equal to 2.5, then we will find the area on the right hand side. So which one is correct? X is greater than 1.5 or x is
Sir,
greater than 2.5?
2.5.
Yes, x is greater than 2.5. Good. And if we will write down x is greater than 1.5, then we will also include the unshaded area, which is not required. Okay.
जी, जी.
Now, for the continuity correction of 7, what should be the method, Samir?
Um,
We will draw 3 rectangles
so 6,
with
7 or 8.
yes, 6, 7, 8. Now this one is x is less than equal to 7. Should I will move towards the left side or on the right side? Towards the right side,
So left side.
left side. Okay. Will we include 7 or not?
Include sir, करेंगे.
Yes. This one is the required area. Okay. Now I will write down x is less than 7.5 or 6.5.
So 7.5.
Yes, very good. 7.5. This one is the continuity correction. Okay. Should I elaborate this with more examples?
So एक और करा दें.
Okay. Now x is greater than 100. What is the method to check whether it is 99.5 or 100.5. Sameer,
Uh,
we will draw three rectangles with 100 in the middle, 99 and 101 in the neighborhood. Now x is greater than 100. Should I include the rectangle for 100?
no, sir.
Okay. On the right side of 100, we will shade that area. Now, this one is probability is x is greater than 99.5 or greater than 100.5.
जी सर, आपकी आवाज कट गई थी।
This will be x is greater than 100.5 or 99.5. This one is 99.5. This one is
सर
100.5.
100.5।
Very good. What is the method to what is the method for the continuity correction?
सर ये 3 रेक्टेंगल्स बना के।
Yes, we will draw three rectangles. One is the value given and two neighborhood rectangles, and then we will we will find that whether it is plus 0.5 or minus 0.5. Okay.
जी
Okay. Can you see this file? This word file. Questions on the screen.
सर कंसीडर दीज।
We will try to understand this further with the help of questions from the past papers. Now, question number 114, the second part. Another garden shop sells polyethylene plants in boxes of 100. N is equal to 100. The shop's advertisement states that the probability of any polyethylene plant producing a pink flower is 0.3. Use a suitable approximation. Use a suitable approximation. It is indicated that use a suitable approximation to find the probability that a box contains fewer than 35 plants which produce pink flower. Now, question number 114, part number 2. X is a binomial distribution with 100 comma the probability of success is 0.3. Now you can see that NP is equal to 100 into 0.3 is equal to 30, and NQ 100 into 0.7 is equal to 70. Both are greater than 5. If NP and NQ both are greater than 5, then we will use normal distribution instead of binomial distribution. Now we want to convert this one into binomial distribution. Normal distribution, the parameters of the normal distribution are mu and variance. We will find out mu. Mu is equal to NP is equal to 100 into 0.3 is equal to 30. Variance is equal to NPQ is equal to 100 into 30 into 0.3 into 0.7. This one is 2.1. Is this 2.1? Please check. Or 21.
2.1.
100 into 30 into 7, 2.1. Okay. This one is 2.1.
Me, sorry, sir, 21.
21. Now X is a normal distribution with 30 comma 21. We want to find, that is, the plants are fewer than 35. First of all, we will apply the continuity correction. Sameer, what is the method to find to apply the continuity correction?
सर रेक्टेंगल्स बना के 3.
Okay, we will draw 3 rectangles. In the middle, it is 35. In the neighborhood, 36 and 34.
34.
Now X is less than 35. Should we include the rectangle for 35?
No sir.
Okay. We will move towards left or right?
Left.
Yes, we will shade the area on the left hand side. So the in the continuity correction, it is 34.5 or 35.5.
34.5.
Yes, 34.5. Okay. Now we will convert this one into Z. Probability of Z less than 34.5 minus 30 divided by under root 21. G, what's the answer? Shian.
सर आंसर है 0.214.
214. Now we will use a normal distribution table to find out the probability. The normal distribution table is, this one is the normal distribution table and the value of Z is 0.214. 0.2, the value opposite to 0.21 is 0.5832. 0.5832. Please correct if I am wrong. 0.214. 0.2, the value against 0.2 and 1 is 0.5832 plus 16. And the final answer will be Shayan. $5848.
सर दोबारा आप फिगर बोल सकते हैं वो
0.214. 0.21. 0.214. 0.21 again.
0.9838.
No, 0.214. The value against 0.214.
0.214.
This one is 0.2. This one is 1. This one is 0.5832. And against 4, it is 15 or 16. It's 16, 15.
So हो जाएगा 0.5847.
5847. Sameer, any confusion?
नहीं sir.
Okay. I think we have lost the previous working. Now, the final calculation was probability of Z is less than 0.214. And we will draw the normal distribution table with 0 in the middle, 0.214 on the right hand side of 0, and we will shade the area on the left hand side of 0.214. Now this one is phi of 0.214 and the answer is from the table is 5847. This one is the answer to the question number 104 part 2. Is there any confusion?
No, sir.
Okay, let's move to the question number 111. Kamal has 30 hens. The probability that any hen lay an egg on one day is 0.7. Hens do not lay more than one egg per day, and the days on which a lays an egg are independent. Calculate the probability that on any particular day Kamal's hen lay 24 eggs. This question number one is question number 111, part number one. X is a binomial. In this question, the variable is a binomial variable, and x is a binomial variable with 30 comma 0.7. Now we want to find the probability of exactly 24x. Probability of x is equal to 24 is equal to 30c4, 30c24, 0.7 power 24 and 0.3 power 6. This one is the answer to part number 1. Now part number 2. Use a suitable approximation. Calculate. Use a suitable approximation. It is given that use a suitable approximation. So we will use the normal distribution to calculate the probability that Kamal's hen lay fewer than 20x. Probability of x is less than 20. We will convert this one into normal distribution. X is a binomial distribution with 30 comma 0.7. X is a normal distribution with NP and NPQ. X is a normal distribution with N into P is 21, and 21 into 0.3 Chian, Chian, 21 into 0.3 is 6.3. Now probability of x less than 20. First of all, we will apply the continuity correction. This one is the point you will miss while doing the question of approximation. You will you will forget to apply the continuity correction. For continuity correction, we will draw three rectangles, 20 in the middle, 19 and 21. We will shade the area less than 20 and will not include the rectangle for 20. So probability of x less than 19.5. Now we will convert this one into z. Probability of z less than 19.5 minus 21 divided by under root 6.3. What is the final answer, Shian? Please quickly. Minus 0.238. We will draw the diagram for the normal distribution curve. This one is minus 0.238, and the area on the left hand side will be shaded. We know that we cannot see the negative numbers from the table. We will flip this diagram, and the area on the right hand side will be shaded. Table always gives us the area less than any positive value, so we will find out phi of 0.238. It will give us the area less than any positive value, and we will subtract this area from 1. Okay, now use the table and tell me the value of phi of 0.238, please. 1 minus 0.5 5942. And what is the final answer?
5942.
What is the 1 minus 0.5942? What is the final answer? 0. 0.4058 is the final answer. Any question about approximation of normal to binomial? When we will use the approximation of normal to binomial, what is the indication? What are the conditions? जी शयान.
जी सर, मैंने यही क्वेश्चन पूछना था आपसे.
NP is greater than 5 and NQ is greater than 5, or it is written in the question that use a suitable approximation. Sometimes it is not written in the question that use a suitable approximation. Now if it is not written in the question that use a suitable approximation, and we want to find the probability that x is less than 20, we will start from 0. X is equal to 0 plus x is equal to 1 plus x is equal to 2 plus x is equal to 3 up to 19. It is very difficult to find out the probabilities from 0 to 19. Now there is an indication that the question is too lengthy. You will find out NP and NQ. If NP and NQ both are greater than 5, then we will convert the question of binomial to normal. Or there is a very simple rule that n is greater than 30. If n is greater than 30, then we will not use the binomial distribution. We will use the
Normal.
normal distribution. So what are the conditions?
So NP and NQ are greater than 5.
Yes. Or n is greater than 30. Then we will use the
30.
Normal distribution
Normal
as an
distribution.
approximation to the binomial distribution. Is there any other
सर
question? Yes.
दोबारा बताएंगे NP is greater than 5 और
NP
NP.
is greater than 5 and NQ is greater than 5. Then we will not use the binomial distribution. We will convert the uh, binomial distribution into normal distribution. Okay.
ठीक है सर.
Any other question?
No, sir.
Okay. Now you will attempt all the papers, full-fledged paper of statistics.